Benefits of jojoba oil for skin. Benefits: deeply hydrating, long-lasting moisturization, nutritious for skin, anti-aging, non-acnegenic, easy, not greasy, Soothes Sunburn, gentle and non-allergenic, Soothes Dry Skin, antimicrobial. Desert Essence, organic jojoba oil for hair, skin and scalp review. Description: USDA Organic, Non-GMO project verified, no ordinary oil, natural cold pressed, no chemical processing or additives, 100% vegan, gluten-free, certified organic by QAI. Desert Essence Organic Jojoba Oil is a pure and natural plant extract that penetrates and moisturizes skin without leaving an oily residue. Closest to skin's natural sebum, it moisturizes where needed most and less where you don't. This amazing oil can be used to help remove makeup, cleanse clogged pores, and nourish hair and scalp. Jojoba oil is also the perfect carrier for your favorite essential oils. Suitable for all skin types. Other ingredients: organic simmondsia chinensis, jojoba, seed oil. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.